Hey YouTube, how's it going? In today's video, I'm going to be replacing this door panel right here with an awesome aluminum door panel from MKAH Motorsports, so stick around. Alright guys, so behind me right here, I have the stock driver's side door panel for my E36. So as you can see here, leather is lifting all over the entire door panel. It's rather dirty as well. There are holes drilled into it. If I flip it over to the back side, you guys can see that I attempted to glue in the top plastic piece that clips onto the door frame, but clearly it's not there. This piece right here is glued back on once already, but it's still kind of loose at the bottom. So the older your E36 is, the chances are you're going to experience a lot of problems with these door panels as well. Especially if you live in crazy climates like New England where it gets really cold and really hot. It's not really good for the adhesives inside the door panel. So to replace the stock door panel, I bought this flat door panel from MKAH Motorsports. Now I'll leave a link in the description if you want to buy one for your E36. But basically it has cutouts for a door pull that I'll be mounting to the door frame itself. And it can retain the stock speakers as well. So for the driver's side, there's also a cutout option that you can apply to your order in order to retain the switches in order to adjust your mirrors as well. But other than that, it's a pretty solid piece. I mean, it's still thin, it's lightweight, it weighs about, I want to say, not even 2 pounds. I mean, it looks really nice, so honestly, this should be a pretty straightforward install. It comes with directions as well. The only tools you really need are drills, screwdrivers. So the reason why I'm getting a flat door panel is mainly because the holes I'm going to be drilling around the frame will make it really easy for me to remove a panel to protect myself from the inside of the door frame, because it does have a couple sharp edges. But to update you guys on the window situation, both sides still don't work. So I've already tried to fix both sides, I think twice on the passenger side, 3 times on the driver's side, and that includes me replacing the window regulators and the window motors with OEM parts. So the reason why I think I can never get these windows to function properly is mainly because the first time these rivets were drilled out, I believe the person working on the car did not pull them out properly and actually bent the frame. So no matter what I really do, I'm not really sure if these 4 bolt holes are aligned on the same plane that they were with stock specifications. So whatever I've done in the past, whether I've adjusted the bottom piece here for the rail here, or adjust the actual physical angles of the window, I still can't get it to work correctly. So these new panels will cover up the entire guts of this non-functional window system as I figure out a way to either convert it to a manual crank window or just replace them with polycarbonate windows that can be easily removable in and out. Alright, so the panel is finally installed on both sides of the car. I'm really excited by the way this looks. I'm missing the actual frame around this door handle for this side of the car, but the other side fit really nicely with those spacers to pull the door handle forward from the door frame. This door pull was really easy to drill into and then tap with a couple screws. It's really sturdy, really strong. Speakers fit perfectly, although I might decide in the future to either change the color of the speakers, get different colored speakers, or maybe even change the color of this panel. I've got to decide that, but regardless, I hope you guys liked what you saw in this video. Don't forget to hit that like button, and if you're new to the channel, please subscribe. So big thanks again to MKAH Motorsports for delivering an awesome product, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Good night, guys.